Okay, hello guys. So let's do this, guys. Let's try the new one. Yeah. So this you have to push like that. Wait, no. Okay. So let's put this new one. Let's see. Mm.
So how do you turn it on?
Okay.
Careful in case.
Okay.
So push it and then put that thing. And then try all the different.
Okay. So this is the shower. Oh, so that's the shower. And this is the flat.
It's very low, I think.
Yeah, and I put it on full.
I think this needs to be. To turn it up.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's nice. That's okay.
So try the next. So that one is what? Flat.
So that is right. Let's see the shower. Oh, so this thing.
So that's
That's
fairly
the flat.
fine.
And that is full. Oh. That is full.
Slanted.
Yeah, it's
Right,
slanted.
carry on.
And that is shower. This is
Yeah,
what.
that's the normal.
Yeah, that's the normal one. And that's the angle. Ooh.
So that's like jet.
Yeah, that's the jet.
Okay.
And this is spread. Oh, so it's the same like the other one.
Horizontal.
Yeah, horizontal. And this one is cone. Oh, wow. Look at the shape of this thing here. Okay, so let's go to center. Oh, so
Center.
that is center. So it's wide. Yeah. And this is mist.
Vertical. Yeah.
Mist. And this one is vertical. So that's
Similar to jet.
Yeah, similar to that. Okay. And this is soaker. So
It's a bit like mist again,
Yeah.
but bit more.
Stronger than
Yeah.
this. Yeah. That is flat.
Yeah.
They are wide apart.
Yeah. So put it on the shower. Put the shower.
Okay, this is full.
I think shower is the normal one, so
Yeah.
put it in the shower.
This is shower. So I think that's the one that I use. Yeah, shower. So nice. Look at this, guys. There's one tomatoes there. One tomato that needs to. And these are things. Yeah. All right. Okay. So.
So you wanna release the handle?
This.
No. Push it. No.
Okay. So this is to stop it.
That's it.
This
And
is
it
how
leaking?
to
It's
stop.
not leaking, so that's good.
Yeah, it's not leaking.
Leaking from there.
Yeah, it's not leaking here, so that's very good.
Good.
Yeah.
So I need to turn the water off
Yeah, let's
and
turn
leave that on.
the water. Okay,
Fine.
I will show you guys the other one. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so this is 8.
Yeah, there's two more
8
on the
more.
new one.
But this is heavier.
Yeah, that's metal. The other one
So
is
this
plastic.
is metal. So this is stronger then.
Yeah,
Alright, okay.
but it's heavier, so if you're holding it for a long time, then it's more tiring.
Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-ra!
Love, love, love.
Love, love, love.